Welcome to the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering at Arizona State University. Our college houses the undergraduate and graduate degree programs for engineering, computer science, and a majority of the technology programs that are offered at ASU. This presentation will explore the civil engineering degree program with a concentration in sustainable engineering. ASU has 4 campuses that span the Phoenix metro area, and the Fulton Schools of Engineering are located on 2 of those, the Tempe campus and the Polytechnic campus. The degree programs within the School of Sustainable Engineering in the Built Environment, also called CB, are located at the Tempe campus. All campuses are open to all students regardless of where their program is located. We offer a free inter-campus shuttle for our students so that they can explore courses, student orgs, activities, and resources at any campus. At Fulton, we offer 25 undergraduate degree programs, which provides a lot of choice and flexibility in finding the program that fits for you. We are called the Fulton Schools of Engineering because we categorize our degree programs into 6 schools, which are organized by theme and location. The first 5 schools from left to right are housed at the Tempe campus, and the Polytechnic School is housed at the Polytechnic campus. Our civil engineering students belong to the School of Sustainable Engineering in the Built Environment, which you will see towards the left of the infographic. Each school has its own director, affiliated faculty, and advising unit so as to provide greater support and specific guidance to the students within that school. ASU and Fulton have direct admission, meaning when students apply, they apply directly to the degree program they want to pursue. As long as a student meets the admissions criteria for their program of interest, they are admitted. It is important to note that some of our degree programs, including civil engineering, have slightly higher admissions criteria than the general university requirements. For a comprehensive list of admissions criteria, you can visit the Fulton Schools of Engineering website at engineering.asu.edu. Students in CB are located at the Tempe campus, which is both their academic and residential home. First-year freshmen are expected to live on campus their first year, and our CB students are currently registering for housing in the Tooker House. Tooker House is the residential hall for all of the engineering and computer science disciplines, and we're also expanding to University House for the 2020-2021 academic year. Students that are a part of Barrett, the Honors College, live in Barrett housing, but are given the opportunity to live on an engineering-specific floor if they choose.
Civil engineering is a broad field that applies engineering principles primarily to public infrastructure. From conceptual design to forensic study of failed performance, civil engineers use mathematical, scientific, and computational tools to develop and sustain modern communities. The civil engineering degree at ASU allows students to be exposed to the multiple disciplines of the civil engineering field. The environmental discipline looks at the unique aspects of air and water pollution and sustainable development. In geotechnical, the focus is on unsaturated soil mechanics, waste mechanics, and geotechnical earthquake engineering. The hydrosystems area encompasses the technical areas of hydrology, hydraulics, and water resources engineering with sustainable considerations of water policy, management, and environmental remediation. Structural engineering contains the structural analysis and design of steel, timber, and concrete structures such as buildings, bridges, and dams through computer mathematical modeling systems. There are 2 themes in the transportation discipline: transportation systems and pavement and materials. The transportation systems focus on traffic operations and simulation, intelligent transportation technologies, traveler safety and risk, traveler behavior, and transportation planning applications. The Pavements and Materials program addresses pavement analysis, design, performance, and management, material testing and characterization, as well as development of new and more efficient construction materials. Civil engineers are concerned with the impact their projects have on the public and the environment. They coordinate the needs of society with technical and economic feasibility. All these developed skills and experiences lead to great opportunities for jobs in management and public service. Civil engineering involves the analysis, planning, design, construction, maintenance, and application of sustainable practices in all areas of urban infrastructure for government, commerce, industry, and the public domain. These projects include airports, bridges, canals, dams, factories, office towers, roadway systems, schools, tunnels and subway systems, and water purification facilities. Civil engineers work in many different types of companies that range from large engineering and construction companies to small private consulting firms, as well as governmental agencies. All require highly educated and skilled civil engineers. Our civil engineering curriculum has the student focus on the skills that give them the ability to recognize and solve multifaceted engineering problems by using the core principles of calculus, physics, and engineering. We want each student to apply those design skills to generate resolutions that meet the needs of public health, safety, and welfare, while considering global, cultural, social, environmental, and economic factors. They should be able to speak and write their designs and solutions in an effective manner that a range of clients can clearly understand the project goals. We teach students to identify ethical and professional responsibilities in engineering situations and make educated and informed decisions with considerations towards global, economic, environmental, and societal contexts. Students will learn to be effective members of a team to which they foster a collaborative and inclusive environment to establish, plan, and meet project goals. They will also organize, analyze, and interpret data to do appropriate experimentation that draws educated conclusions. They will then be able to continue to acquire new knowledge on a regular basis using appropriate learning strategies. The sustainable engineering concentration is built from the foundation of the general civil engineering degree. The concentration integrates systems modeling and life cycle approaches to evaluate the selection and resiliency of different materials to be used in every area of urban development and infrastructure. The goal is to expose the students to multiple materials from different engineering disciplines that conform with the principles of economic, social, and ecological sustainability and apply them to the traditional civil engineering area. We achieve the previously mentioned learning outcomes through a very detailed and rigorous pathway of courses. On this slide is a representation of our civil engineering degree major map and the semester-by-semester structure of classes the students will journey through. We start with fundamental math and science courses that provide a solid foundation into our introductory civil engineering courses of statics, dynamics, and deformable solids. As the student approaches their junior year, we begin to introduce them into the different disciplines of the civil engineering field. It is at this point students normally begin to find their intended areas of focus for their future career paths. While in their senior year, they will choose specific technical and design elective courses that will focus on the disciplines of their choice, all in direct line with their personal career preparation. There are many universities throughout the country that have civil engineering degree programs. What makes ASUs so special? We first off have an undeniable emphasis on sustainability. We do this with our revolutionary engineering approach that focuses on long-lasting improvement of the human condition, while also transforming traditional complex design and construction methods with more emerging techniques and technologies that take specific assessments and risk analysis into the equation. To show the future of the students' careers are in mind, the curriculum has been developed with internal preparation for the Fundamentals of Engineering exam, which leads to the future Professional Engineer Licensing exam. Obviously, the great aspects of the civil engineering degree program cannot be possible without a top-notch faculty to help educate our students. Our faculty is from a wide range of disciplines and career experiences within industry and academic research. They are actively engaged in many local, national, and international level research efforts that greatly impact economic development and environmental quality. All of our students are able to find their own research opportunities under the tutelage of our faculty while still pursuing their degree. Other reasons include, but not limited to, the diversity of our student population in the program, which can be divided in numerous ways from nationality to first generation students to gender. With engineering traditionally being a male dominated field, we are proud to say that nearly a quarter of our civil engineering students are women.
Hi, my name is Brielle Januszewski, and I am a senior in the civil engineering program. I have always been interested in the environment, so I chose a major in sustainability. However, a month before school started, I changed my major to civil engineering because I thought it would be more applicable and more useful than a sustainability major. Once I had switched my major to engineering, I never regretted it. My aha moment when I knew I wanted to do engineering was the moment I switched, and I had to meet with my new advisor. I received an invitation to the Grand Challenge Scholars Program, and I signed up to attend the E2 camp. I've enjoyed almost all the courses I have taken at ASU, especially the environmental ones, like fluid mechanics, unit operations and environmental engineering, and environmental microbiology. These classes are taught by amazing professors who really know the subject and who deeply care about the success of their students. My experiences at ASU and in the civil engineering organizations have helped me get research internships at Duke University, Argonne National Laboratory, multiple labs at ASU, such as the Rittman and Peralt labs, and a summer field ecology program in Montana, as well as an industry internship this year. These internships have helped me connect course material to real-world problems and have made my experience at ASU more meaningful. Something that has been very important to me during my time at ASU has been joining organizations and extracurricular activities. I cannot stress how important it is to join these activities. For civil engineering, ASCE, the American Society of Civil Engineers, is a very fun organization that many students are involved in, that has a lot of fun competitions, and that provides many students internship and job opportunities through their industry speaker meetings. In this organization, I have been the project manager of the concrete canoe team for the past 2 years, which has been one of the most fun things I've done at ASU. I have also been a part of Fulton Ambassadors, which has been a great opportunity to interact with younger students and encourage them to follow their passion in STEM. This organization has meant a lot to me because before I came to ASU, I didn't know what engineering was and I didn't know that it was a career opportunity for me. So being in Fulton Ambassadors has helped me to reach out to students who may have been in the same position that I was, and I've let them know that engineering is something that they can and should do. But no matter what you do, get involved outside of your classes because it gives you the opportunity to meet other people, make friends, and succeed in your major. ASU has the most amount of opportunities that I have ever seen from a university, and you should really take advantage of all of them because it really gives an extra layer of depth to your major, and it really, really helps you when you're looking for internships and jobs.
Thank you for taking this time to explore the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering. If you have any questions about applying to Fulton, please contact us at fultonschools@asu.edu. If you have any specific questions about the degree program covered in this presentation, please contact us at cb.advising@asu.edu.